Hi everyone, this is a video about this Philips sonicare toothbrush. This one is the old diamond clean, and how to attempt to change the battery. And if you want to do that, please do it at your own risk, and be very careful as you when you are dealing with lithium ion batteries. You have to be extra cautious. Anyhow, this is the video about this, how to change the battery and the tools that you might need in order to do that. For instance, I just took everything out and I had a video about a diamond smart clean, and that is the principle of removing it from the housing is exactly the same, but people have made a complaint about and I didn't even show how to get it out. So then I'm making this video just to show you how you have to apply pressure, how you have to operate your tools that you need, and which tool is the best, and showing you exactly in detail how to do this without actually putting it in there, because if you put it in there, I have to move from here and I cannot show you how I am applying pressure to this part, and so on and so forth, and I'm getting out of shots and it's not really pleasant. Anyhow, the way to do this is there are two ways. First, you have to take this one out, and this one is the base of it, and it just goes one way. I have to tell you, this is the way that you have to be careful when you are taking it out. You have to mark the way that is in there. You see, this one is just latching on to these two sides like so, and then this doesn't have this does have one function that, let me just put this back in. I show you the function of this. Okay, the function of this, first of all, is to go underneath these latches and avoid this unit to come out of the housing. So first you have to get this one out, and the way to get this one out is just with the aid of a spudger, and you just put a spudger anywhere to the side, and just as you see, with a little bit of side movement is just releasing this latch, and then with the other one it just comes out, and then allows these two to just go in like so. And how they are going to go in, these two somehow helping us later on. Just remember these two latches, and then let me get a torch here and look at there to the side. Can you see that white is going to those indentation, that those latches, they are going to lock in to those 2 points. And then if you want to position them exactly where they are, let me just show you. They are exactly there in relation to the charging light there. So now one way of doing that is with the aid of some sort of a narrow spudger, just to go there and push them in, or a piece of plastic that you press against here and against the housing there, to release each latches, these two. And when they are going in, if you press the tip of this very gently, it just comes out, slides out very easily. Now you know, for instance, let me just demonstrate here as well. If this one is inside here, like so, with a spudger, you can go, I just push it all the way in, just to show you. You just go there, press properly, and then get it out. And this is just the O-ring that is in there. And if you just swap your spudger side by side, this one is coming out very easily. And if you are careful, you can avoid damaging it like so. Anyway, this one is beyond saving. Still is working, but it's beyond saving because it's making a crazy noise, because all the liquid and saliva and toothpaste leaked inside here, and unfortunately caused some sort of damage here, some damage to here, the button that you know, the saliva and the toothpaste got stuck in all around here. And anyway, I have released them, but you know, I decided because of the noise it was too much and unbearing, just to use it as a prop for this video. So as I mentioned, the diamond clean and diamond smart clean, the procedure of removing the unit from the housing is all the same, but you should know where are the latches. I'll show you again where are the latches to the side of the charging battery light, and how to remove this and what is the job of this in relation to here. And then when you just done that, these two covers, one is for the LED lights. I just removed it and is engaging with these pins here and these two to here. Like so. And then this one is the cover of the battery. This goes on the top, and it goes only one way here and there, you see. And when you remove this, the battery is here and the contacts is one in here and the other one is in there. So by desoldering those two, the battery is coming out. But while you are doing it, be very careful about the other components around this. For instance, a resistor is in there, and here is some sort of chip on this up there, and resistor and testing point and more resistors there. So you just need to undo these two. Anyhow, now you know these two latches, where they are and how they operate and what is the job of this. And please remember, this one only goes one way, and these two prongs is going under here to avoid getting out, getting this one out in case of drop or something. And that's really it. So now you know, first get this one out and then use some sort of tool. I use this one. That is really helpful because it's not damaging the item I show you, it has to go like this from the LED lights going in between here, and then when you press, you see it's rectangular at the moment, and when you press it, let me just press it, you see that it's going to some sort of square shape. And this is really good to just push it very gently to get the whole working inside out, and then you release it like so. So if you use this one, you don't need any sort of pliers to damage your item. This one is just protecting it as well. So by all means, I recommend these clamps, carpentry clamps or whatever that you can use. And then another recommendation, when you are using these toothbrushes, if you want to prolong the life of this, my advice is first avoid any saliva and toothpaste going in there and there, or while you are brushing your teeth, open your mouth, shut your lips, and then open your mouth, and then brush it thoroughly without making this wet. And every time that you are using it, my advice is get the brush head out and then dry here and the bottom of the brush head as well. So now you know where are the latches, how you get this one to work back again. Anyway, these two spudgers, they are another aid. If you have some problems, you can use different spudger, but if it's really thin, it's much better, and I recommend this one as well. I have been using this for ages and it still is going. Anyway, this video is getting a little bit too long, and I'm sorry about the cut on my finger. And if you want to know how this had happened, I was fixing this Dyson brush head that is very badly designed, and this one is coming out all the time, considering that this is the part that it connects to your hair dryer, and the pressure that is induced while doing it and all the time was coming out. I put some glue in there, but because of the heat, glue can't hold this in place, and I had to get all the glues out. And while I was cleaning it, this one just cut me like so. Anyway, I tried to make it presentable without any plaster on my finger and just sealed it, but if making you uncomfortable, I apologize for that. And this one is if Dyson is looking, or if some people they want me to show you how to open this, you can leave a comment down below and I just make another video about that. Very short video, is not really good, not really complex, I mean. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a good time. Just a caveat about this: if all of this plastic at the tip is broken, you have to change them, and there are some plastic seals for Philips on eBay, so you can purchase them, but now I think it's about £12, and it comes from China. Anyway, you can use them, but I don't think if you want to spend this much money on doing this, please go and purchase a new one, because it's not going to last long. Thanks for your watching, and have a great time.